Greeting dear children. We are doing the mole concept. In mole concept, three types of things we are mainly doing in numericals. First type was relation of number of moles with mass of the given substance. This I have explained in my previous video, that how number of moles are related to mass of the substance. If n is the number of moles, small m is the given mass of the substance, capital M is the molar mass, then what is the relation in moles and given mass? Small n, yani number of moles, is equal to given mass upon molar mass. So we can find number of moles by dividing given mass with molar mass. Type 2 is relation of number of moles with number of particles. If N naught is Avogadro number, one mole always have Avogadro number of particles. We have learned this thing. So N moles will have how many particles? N into N naught. So number of particles, if this be denoted by capital N, then what is the formula here? Number of moles is equal to number of particles in given mass, in given moles, upon N naught. N naught is Avogadro number, and experimentally found that the value of N naught, Avogadro number, is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles. One mole of every substance has N naught number of particles. These two things I have explained in my previous video. Now we are on the verge of end of mole concept, and here we are going to find type 3, that is to find the number of particles of each type in given molecule of a compound. First we will find in 1 mole of given compound. 1 mole of given compound में डिफरेंट कौन कौन से एटम्स होंगे, उनके कितने पार्टिकल्स होंगे, ये मैं आपको समझाऊंगी. And then in n mole of given compound, what are the different kind of particles? So let us start with find number of particles of each type in 1 mole CO2, 1 mole NH3, 1 mole HNO3, 1 mole H2SO4. So let us start one by one. If I have to start with 1 mole CO2, ठीक? In 1 mole of every substance, how many particles are there? Avogadro number. It means in 1 mole CO2, CO2 is a molecules. Number of molecules of CO2 are how many? N naught. N naught means 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules, right? But I have to find how many are the number of particles of each type. 1 mole CO2, see very carefully. 1 mole of CO2 means, what is there? In 1 mole CO2, there is 1 C and 2 O. Okay, there is 1 mole of C atom and 2 mole of O atoms. So if I have to find what are the different type of particle, 1 mole CO2 में number of particles of CO2, number of molecules of CO2 तो 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 है. पर अगर मुझसे ये पूछा जाए how many are the number of particles of each type, means how many are the number of carbon atoms and how many are the number of oxygen atom, so they will be number of carbon atoms will be because they are 1 mole, so it means they will be 6.022 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms, and I have to find how many are the number of oxygen atoms. Number of oxygen atoms is equal to 2 moles. It means 2 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. 2 से इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दो तो आंसर विल बी 12.044 into 10 to the power 23 O atoms. क्या आपको ये समझ आया है? 1 मोल CO2 में, इस चीज को बहुत ध्यान से देखिए, 1 मोल CO2 में नंबर ऑफ CO2 मॉलिक्यूल्स कितने हैं? N naught. N naught means Avogadro number. Avogadro number means 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. पर अगर उसमें पूछा जाए what are the different type of particles of each type, तो कार्बन के एक CO2 में एक C और 2 O है, तो 1 mole of carbon atom, 1 mole means again N naught atoms, and O, because there are 2 moles of O, O2 means 2 moles of O, तो 2 moles of O means 2 into N naught, यानी 12.044 into 10 to the power 23 oxygen atoms. Hope you have understood. और करेंगे तो थोड़ा थोड़ा और अच्छे से क्लियर होगा. Let us do the second example. Next is 1 mole NH3. Second is 1 mole NH3. आपको पता है 1 मोल NH3 में अगर 1 मोल अमोनिया, NH3 is ammonia, it has how many? N naught. N naught means 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of ammonia. एक मोल कितने मॉलिक्यूल्स को कंटेन कर रहा है? इतने मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ अमोनिया. पर हमने यहाँ खत्म नहीं करना है. वी हैव टू फाइंड पार्टिकल्स ऑफ ईच टाइप. पार्टिकल्स ऑफ ईच टाइप. तो 1 mole NH3 has एक N3H has 1 mole N atom and 3 mole H atoms. It means number of N atoms, because they are 1 mole, so that will be N naught. N naught means 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of nitrogen. Right? एक मोल अमोनिया में कितने नाइट्रोजन एटम हैं? N naught. And number of हाइड्रोजन, नंबर ऑफ H एटम्स कितने होंगे? H एटम कितने हैं? 3 moles. 3 mole H atom, तो that will be 3 into N naught hydrogen atoms. 3 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. 3 2s are 6, 3 6 are 18. Hydrogen atoms. I hope you have got it. Similarly, 1 mole HNO3 will have 1 mole of hydrogen atoms. 1 mole means how much? Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Same nitrogen, but how many oxygen? 3 into oxygen N naught. 3 into N naught means 18.066 into 10 to the power 23. Similarly here, 1 mole of H2SO4, 1 mole H2SO4 has 2 moles of hydrogen. 1 mole of H2SO4 is 2 moles hydrogen, यानी 2N0 hydrogen atoms. S कितने हैं? 1 मोल. S के साथ कुछ नहीं लिखा ना. 1 मोल S, तो this means 1 into N0 sulfur atoms. And O, how many O are there? 4. 4 moles oxygen atom. So 4 into N0 oxygen atoms. 4 into N0 means 4 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. I hope you have understood. So you can do this kind of practice also. Ki in 1 mole of given compound, how many are the particles of each type? Hope you have understood. Thank you very much.